Hello nature enthusiasts, welcome to another exciting journey into the world of natural wonders. Today we journey to the heart of a nutritional marvel, the moringa tree, a plant that has captured the attention of health experts worldwide. Often called the miracle tree, moringa has been treasured for centuries. Its uses date back to ancient civilizations where it was revered for its healing properties. This remarkable plant offers a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Every part of the moringa tree, from its leaves to its seeds, is packed with nutrients. From the seeds to the leaves, moringa is packed with goodness. It's a versatile plant that can be used in various forms, including powders, teas, and oils. It's a rich source of vitamin C, boosting our natural defenses and helping to keep our immune system strong. It provides vitamin A, essential for healthy vision and maintaining good eye health. Additionally, moringa offers calcium for strong bones and iron for healthy blood. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health and vitality. But the benefits don't stop there. Moringa contains powerful antioxidants that help fight off oxidative stress. These antioxidants help protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful free radicals, promoting a healthier, more energetic lifestyle. With its impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder moringa is considered a true superfood. Incorporating moringa into your diet can lead to numerous health benefits, making it a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Now let's discover the joy of growing your own moringa. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. First, we'll need well-draining soil. Moringa thrives in sunny locations, so choose a spot with plenty of sunlight. To begin, make a small hole in the soil about an inch deep. Gently place the moringa seed in the hole and cover it with soil. Water the seed generously, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Moringa seeds are quite resilient and germinate quickly. In just a few days, you'll see a tiny sprout emerging from the soil. With each passing day, your moringa tree will grow taller, reaching for the sky. Moringa trees are quite low maintenance. They prefer well-drained soil and don't need excessive watering. Water your tree deeply when the soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering as it can lead to root rot. While moringa is not a heavy feeder, you can give it a boost with a balanced fertilizer a few times a year. This will provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Additionally, regular pruning can help maintain a desirable shape and encourage bushier growth. Simply snip off any overgrown or crossing branches. This will allow for better air circulation and sunlight penetration, promoting a healthier and more vibrant tree. Section 4. Harvesting Nature's Bounty, Picking and Preserving Your Moringa Leaves. The real magic begins when you start harvesting your moringa leaves. These leaves are packed with nutrients and can be a wonderful addition to your diet. Once your tree is about 3 feet tall, you can start picking the young, tender leaves. These are the most flavorful and nutritious parts of the plant. The best time to harvest is in the morning after the dew has dried. This ensures that the leaves are crisp and fresh. Gently pluck the leaves from the branches, being careful not to damage the tree. This method helps the tree to continue growing and producing more leaves. Once you've gathered your leaves, it's time to wash them thoroughly under cool running water. This step is crucial to remove any potential contaminants. This removes any dirt or debris, ensuring that your leaves are clean and safe to consume. You can enjoy your moringa leaves fresh, or you can preserve them for later use. Fresh leaves can be added to salads, soups, and smoothies. Drying is a popular method. It allows you to store the leaves for a longer period without losing their nutritional value. Simply spread the leaves in a single layer on a clean cloth or drying rack. Make sure they are not overlapping to ensure even drying. Allow them to air dry in a cool, dark place. This process can take a few days, but the result is well worth the wait. Once dried, store the leaves in an airtight container to maintain their freshness. Section 5. From Garden to Gourmet Creative Uses for Moringa in Your Kitchen. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is a versatile and nutritious plant that can elevate your culinary creations to new heights. Now comes the exciting part, incorporating moringa into your culinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, moringa offers endless possibilities. Moringa leaves have a slightly earthy and spinach-like flavor. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a powerhouse of nutrition. They can be enjoyed in countless ways. From salads to soups and even as a garnish, moringa leaves add a unique touch to any dish. Add fresh moringa leaves to your salads for a nutritional punch. They blend seamlessly with other greens and add a delightful texture. Blend them into smoothies for a vibrant green boost. The leaves not only enhance the color, but also infuse your drink with essential nutrients. You can also sauté moringa leaves with garlic and olive oil for a simple yet delicious side dish. This method brings out their natural flavors and makes for a quick, healthy addition to any meal. Dried moringa leaves can be ground into a fine powder. This powder is incredibly versatile and can be stored for long periods. This powder can be added to soups, stews, and sauces as a nutritional supplement. The possibilities are endless. Imagine the depth of flavor and nutrition it can bring to your favorite recipes. So why not embark on your own moringa journey? Growing moringa at home is rewarding and ensures you have a fresh supply year-round. Grow this incredible superfood in your backyard and experience the joy of fresh, nutritious meals. Share the benefits of moringa with your loved ones and transform your kitchen into a hub of health and creativity.